Guys, please subscribe and help FANS Wethu TV get to 80,000 subscribers. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I'm joined by the nonsensical kid, the cryptocrat, who shot the thing?
This is nothing.
It's tabs.
There's nothing. Still, I sometimes. I can and everything.
Yes.
Today I want to show them I get Are you this next, Steve?
The Chiefs.
Are you this next? Skawala Tuma.
Very nice. Kaizer Chiefs.
It's not I regret that.
Kaizer Chiefs, man.
They're so nice.
Kaizer Chiefs.
They're so nice. Beating Kaizer Chiefs is so nice. But still, before I start my interview, Uskaba jealous.
I mean,
eat my brother, you deserve it, my brother. Still, before Toma, let me go home, call Limpopo Steve, and congratulate my team. Uskaba jealous is Kugunu United to win. We beaten Golden Arrows, Steve. What a good game. I didn't saw the game, but I know they played very well, Steve. You see, sometimes there are some problems where they need you, Steve. Today I was representing Massa. I get a time I was supporting Kaizer Chiefs, so I was the Massa in terms of supporting Mamelodi Sundowns.
Oh.
Yeah, when I was on duty, they understand. Even Coach Sema understand. So they played very well. 2 points. Yeah, at least we have points. Chiefs got the points.
Hey.
We have 7. They have 6.
Yes.
And they won the league.
Hey.
Let's get into the game. Steve, I'm not going to shy away from something. Kaizer Chiefs has improved.
Yes.
Kaizer Chiefs has improved from Kaizer Chiefs last season. Kaizer Chiefs last season, they were Kaizer Chiefs that deserved to play in They were the Kaizer Chiefs that deserved to play in the NFD, but this season they have improved, Steve. I saw there was a league on Facebook, they were in the very same league as Barcelona and everything. I don't know if the league is still there on Facebook today, it's gonna trend on anything. But Chiefs has improved. Nabi is cooking, my brother, but when are they gonna eat? That's the question.
Hey.
You can't always be cooking. When are they gonna eat?
Hey.
Arthur's one came, we are building.
Hey.
Kevin Johnson came, we are building.
Yes.
Now Nabi came, changed the thing from building to cooking. It's cooking. When are they gonna eat?
I don't know.
And one thing I don't know about Kaizer Chiefs, I don't know, guys. Yusuf Mart Bafetu. The last time Yusuf Mart played very well was the time he scored that goal against the Sota Derby. From there he was destroyed. He was no longer good, Steve. You need to rest the player to gain confidence. You cannot always play him. He's bad. Captain Amben, I think Captain Amben damn email Steve.
Yes.
Playing Jagulo Blom, he's back out here.
Yes.
Quality player, playing Jagulo Blom. Going to Mamelodi Sundowns, I don't know the defense. I think those goals, Mamelodi Sundowns could have to have considered those goals if they started Kabumvala and something. Libusa and Grand Kekana cost Mamelodi Sundowns.
Hey.
Good defense out here. They're not gonna see this, but they're gonna see it in coming games. Also, the subs coach, they're one day gonna kill Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes.
But you can never sub Tembazwan and
Yes.
out. You can never do that, Steve. Steve. Tembazwan and the passes like even Tembazwan sometimes you don't need a player like or Tembazwan, those players, you don't need the legs from them. You just need them to their presence in the pitch.
Hey.
You just need their experience. Bahona will have that player spaces, the passes and everything.
Yes.
But I gotta give credit to Ntwana Azokoti who developed that boy very well from Skuku now.
Yes.
Quality player, you can see good defense. Serino was sort of struggling, got the side. Balika in the first half, he was a little bit staggering. Asako many chances to score to convert the goals, convert the longs and everything.
Yes.
Until he even switched that side because of Asako Tiwana. I gotta give credit to the boys, Steve. So I hear they're complaining about the official. Steve, the officiating is always going to be a complaint each and every game. Right now, trust me, we are going to on the 5th of October. We're going to Durban. They're going to still complain.
Yes.
Each and every time we're going to still complain.
Yes.
The leadership should we need VAR in South Africa.
We do.
Because of today, some of the things I saw them, but the second goal at Sundowns, it was offside, yes. But the last goal at Kaizer Chiefs was not offside. Was offside. People, they saw only the pass, the player passing the ball, Aishaka boxing. That's why when the header that was done by a player, Kaizer Chiefs, in the box.
Oh.
The deflection near the player. Pela ball egastweko di musti were fast at the same time without any touch from any player. The ball was touched by a player. They will see it on Monday. The ball was touched by a player before it landed on the foot of the guy who scored that goal.
Yes.
It was offside. If you go and check very well, it was on offside, straight offside.
Straight offside.
There was no roping. Yes, some officiating were bad for the game, but that one was not offside.
It was not bad officiating.
It was not bad officiating. It was straight offside. But my question, Kohore, if you can see that one as an offside, why don't you see the one yellow? It was just yes, I can. If in I was not gonna blame him, but it was quick and it happened quick.
Hey.
Mara, if you see that one, why are you failing to see the one that is the real offside? Yeah, Sundowns.
Yes.
But there's nothing we can say, Steve. And every season we're gonna complain. Mamelodi Sundowns is still gonna win the leagues with the referees and everything.
Yes.
Even if we cry, no matter how much we cry, they're still gonna do the very same thing. Because Peter said that we are benefiting and we are enjoying benefiting, and they're still gonna benefit each and every season.
Are they paying?
There's nothing we can say.
Are they paying?
Obviously, Steve. Obviously, Steve. So, but there's nothing we can say, Steve.
Man of the match?
Man of the match. Let me give it to Skumbuzo guys and not the referee because everybody's giving to him. Let me give it to him. Yeah, he good officiating for me.
Kimango kayang envelope ile bana. Enaleng chelete.
Mara wati but this
Texel usithola kumanga.
they are there in the leaderships. Kodimo. Just cannot say their name, but people know. Conflict of interest, Steve.
Nsebele man.
You know, the second richest man in South Africa, you know.
Must I Google him?
You must Google, yeah. You'll find Steve. But Steve, I said I won't wear the Kaizer Chiefs shirt. And I'm successful, I don't wear it. No, I said if they win. People didn't understand.
Hey.
If they win, and I knew they won't win. Me, I knew very well that they won't win, Steve. Tango.
Thank you, Faraga.